This little chicken keeps escaping. How'd you do it this time, huh? She doesn't go anywhere. She just walks around picking more bugs. And then these two just like, get us out of here too! Come on! Let us out!
Hello, ladies. Did you lay some eggs? Did you lay some eggs? Well, let's look in the nest. What? 3 of you laid in one spot? Now that is just brilliant. Good job, chickens.
Recently, we got some hens, and they're actually giving us more eggs than I know what to do with. So today I figure, let's make some soy-marinated eggs. I have 11 eggs here, and they are pretty small. So if you do have medium-sized to larger egg, cut down the number of eggs you want to cook. Typically, I hard-boil my eggs in this little egg cooker. As you can see, it's pretty small, so I'm not going to be able to fit 11 eggs in there, so I'm going to have to use something different to hard-boil my eggs. Because I don't want to heat up my house with boiling water, I'm going to use my pressure cooker today. Go ahead and just put all your clean eggs into the pressure cooker and then cover it with water. Just make sure you just cover it loosely. Do not tighten the lid or close the pressure valve. And we're gonna cook it for 10 minutes. And while my eggs are cooking, let's go ahead and prep some of the other ingredients. And my eggs are done, so we're going to just drain it, add some cold water to cool it. Drain it out again and add more cold water to it. So guys, I've always had a hard time peeling eggs. If you have any good tips or tricks on how to hard boil eggs and have the shells come off perfect, hey, please put in the comment below and share your tips with me because I need it. As I'm taking this long time to peel these eggs, I'm thinking about, you know, those silicone egg boil that you see on TV. Has any of you ever used those? If you have, please put in the comment below and let me know how good they are because I am thinking about getting some of that. And after 30 minutes later of peeling these eggs, we're ready for our recipe. Put all your eggs into the pressure cooker and then add all your ingredients, except for your garnishes. And it's back outside to cook my eggs. Again, loosely close your pressure cooker and cook it for 10 minutes. Let's see what these eggs look like. Oh, they smell so good. The soy sauce along with the chili and the garlic. Can't wait to bite into them. I'm gonna pour mine into a heat-safe bowl, and you wanna let this sit and marinate for about an hour before you serve it. There's many ways to serve it, but if you just want eggs for a snack, I like mine with a little bit of the sauce, add some sesame oil, and a little bit of crushed red pepper. Oh, this is so good. And I happen to have some noodles and steamed bok choy, so you know what? I made myself a bowl of ramen. The marinade is a nice base for the soup. For my bowl, I have about 1 cup of noodle, and I'm adding a 1/4 cup of the sauce. There are many other garnishes that you can use. What would taste really good are toasted sesame seeds, maybe fresh cilantro and green onion chopped up. Oh, this is so good. So what do you think? Will you try this recipe? If you make it, please let me know how yours turn out. And don't forget to put some tips down below on how I can easily peel my eggs, okay? Look at the nice chicken. This one talks a lot.
A lot. This is Red. She's my favorite one because she's gentle and she talks a lot.
You are so awesome for watching my video to the end. Please give me that thumbs up down below if this video was enjoyable and helpful to you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? And that notification bell too, so that you know when I upload new videos and you don't miss any of them. And I would really appreciate it if you share my videos and my channel with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe as well. But until next time, happy cooking!